You want to try your daddy's? Can I try Madeline's? Can Daddy try Madeline's?
No.
How's your ice cream, sweetheart? No, don't use your hands. Just lick it.
Just lick it.
Madeline, can Mommy have a bite of your ice cream?
Can Mommy have some of your ice cream?
Can Mommy have a bite of your ice cream, Madeline?
Mommy try?
Can Mommy have a bite?
Twice.
Can Daddy try Madeline's?
No.
No.
But she has no problem asking for yours.
No. Can Daddy try Madeline's? Daddy try Madeline's? Can Daddy try Madeline's, please? Daddy wants to try Madeline's.
Try.
Okay, Daddy try Madeline's.
Yay, you finally shared.
Thank you.